Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to add FFmpeg to OpenToonz so that you can export your animation to mp4 or GIF or any video format you want. Okay, so normally when FFmpeg is not configured, if you go to output setting and file, you will see that only a limited format is available. There is no mp4 format or GIF format here. So we want to export our animation to mp4 or GIF file. So for that we have to configure FFmpeg on OpenToonz. So we have to go to preference and then import and export, and here we'll put the path for FFmpeg bin folder. Okay, so let's go to FFmpeg.org and here click on download, and from this page, since we are on Windows, we'll click on Windows and then this Windows build by BTBN. It will redirect to a GitHub release page, and here this is important. You have to download the master latest Win64 GPL. Okay, so it will be around 200 megabyte. So the name is important: FFmpeg-master latest Win64-GPL, and download it. So the file is now downloaded. I have already shared the link in the description so that you can directly download this file, this FFmpeg zip file. Okay, let's open the folder where it is downloaded, this one. So let's extract it first. With 7Z. As you can see, this is the extracted folder, FFmpeg master latest Win64 GPL. So inside this folder we have a bin folder and a dog and other folders. So I'll rename this folder as FFmpeg only for clarity. So after renaming this folder as FFmpeg, I'll copy or cut this folder and put it on an installation directory or directly in C drive where I do not modify my files. So I have put this on my C drive directly, and inside this FFmpeg folder I have a bin folder, and inside the bin folder we have FFmpeg.exe. We'll copy this path first up to the folder which is containing the FFmpeg.exe. So now in OpenToonz, let's go to preferences, then import/export, and paste. Either you paste the full bin path of FFmpeg, or you can click here and then go to the C drive and select the FFmpeg folder, then bin folder. Okay, and click choose. Either way it will work. And the second one is you have to also adjust the timeout if your project is a very long project. So if you have a very good hardware, then it should be fine, but if your computer is an old one, then you can adjust this one. I would just add a 0 besides it, so from 600 it is now 6000. So that's it. Let's close this, and now we can go to render, click on output settings, and in file option now we should have few more options, but we're not seeing that yet. So let's close OpenToonz and open it again. Then go to render, output setting, file. Yeah, now after restarting OpenToonz, we can see that mp4, MOV, which is also a video format, and then WebM, which is also an open source video format, and GIF. Okay, So now we can select from some additional recommended options. As you can see, I have converted my dummy project to a mp4 file, and FFmpeg is also a very powerful tool if you want to do some video processing. You can just simply add the path of FFmpeg to your environment variable. That way you will be able to do video conversion with simple FFmpeg command from your command prompt. Thanks once again. I'll see you in the next video.